how to monetize TikTok account. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can monetize your TikTok account. First of all, you will have to open your TikTok account, and hereby you will have to tap on this three line just at the top right corner of your screen. So simply tap on it, and here you have to go for the TikTok studio, like it will appear on the top. So simply tap on it, and here you will get all of the information related to your post, like in analytical or statics. So here you have to go for the option monetization, so it's on the second. So you have to go on this view all section just beside the monetization. So simply tap on this view all section, and now from here you can monetize your TikTok account. So make sure you are eligible to monetize your TikTok account. So if you are eligible to monetize your TikTok account, you may proceed and go through the step-by-step procedure as the TikTok provides. So simply from here you can monetize your account. So if this video was helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the first notification of quick tutorial video like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.